Hello to all the interior design lovers. In today's video I'm going to show you how we redecorate my neighbor's apartment in Luxembourg. To start with this project, I'm going to explain the distribution. So the first thing we will find when we enter in the house, it's a narrow entrance, where by now they have some paintings on the floor. On the left we have a door that leads to the bathroom. Once we cross through the hall, we will find an all-open concept apartment, and on this part of the wall we will find the kitchen with all the elements. Right in front of the kitchen we have the dining area with a high table and two bar stools. This part of the house is used very frequently, and almost always the table is full of papers, and this is something that they wanted to change. Right next to the dining area there is the living area that is divided by a two-seat sofa, which already came with the house, so we cannot change it. In front of the sofa there is a television, which is pretty large, and among the sofa and the television there is a lot of space which right now it's not very well used. In the bedroom we will find a custom-made furniture that is a wardrobe and the headboard of the bed at the same time. In this part of the house, the client asked me to place a whiteboard with a calendar so she can organize her work schedule. So the customer needs checklist looks like this. In the dining area, change the large table for a normal one, adding also more chairs for guests who would like to come over. In the living area, find a space to work with the laptop, find more storage space, a nice TV cabinet and a new rack. And in the bedroom, find a way to put photos on the wall without actually damaging the wall. And as I mentioned previously, find a space to put a whiteboard with a calendar. Beginning then with the living area, the table that they currently have takes a lot of space. It is not very comfortable for them and there are not enough chairs. So I have found this solution. It is a set of tables with different sizes where you can combine them according to your needs and depending on the square meter of your house. We have a small, medium and large size, and in this case I'm going to use the smallest one for the work area with the laptop and the medium-sized table for the dining area. This way, when they want to have a party at home, they can join those two tables together and make a larger table for 8 guests. And here we have how this dining table with 4 chairs will look. This will be the small table for the work area with the laptop, but also could be used to display the artwork so they are not on the floor. When the guests came, putting those two tables together, we get a much bigger and comfortable table. In the living area, we put a much larger coffee table, a TV cabinet that serves as an extra storage, and we put a new carpet. In the bedroom area, we have put a small auxiliary table, which serves to put a whiteboard with a calendar as my neighbor needs, but it can also be used as an additional storage. To put pictures on the wall without damaging them, a pretty good idea that I found is using decorative tape and create a composition of drawings, pictures and photos. This is how the distribution of the furniture will be. We can see in this case, even adding furniture a little bit larger to this small apartment, we can gain a little bit more of, first, extra storage, second, be a little bit more comfortable in the house, and third, we can invite more guests to the house. And here I leave you a little home tour of this entire house. I really hope you enjoyed this video, you find it useful. This is actually the way we work with any space that needs to be redecor. If you are also passionate about interior design and you are new in this channel, and if you also like this kind of video, please consider to subscribe to see more similar content. Let us know in the comments what do you think about this video, and if you would like to do a virtual interior design project with us, just drop us an email with some pictures, a quick video and a brief description of what would you like to visualize in your place, and in few weeks your project will appear in one of our videos. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye!